Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and today we're kind of poke around what is in the Codedamn course. So, all right. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We do micro videos, and I kind of want to talk about that actually. So I get the anxiety of wanting to learn, not knowing what to learn, not knowing what to do, so that is actually what the whole point of this course, this channel, everything that I do. The reason why there are short videos and I'm back to now having a video Monday through Friday is to just sprinkle in topics because, and I get it, you want to know what to do. You want to hear what to do. To give me a project. All right, so you're going to run across a problem, your project that you're passionate about, and you're going to have a problem. And a long video, I've done a couple videos on this, but I'm filling up your toolbox. I'm sneakily, for those of you who've seen the old, I'm Miyagiing you. I'm sneakily, slyly training you how to use and fill up your toolbox with all of these fantastic tools. I want you to think about the most elaborate object that you see. You press a button, it does all these things. Well, they go down so granular to a chip that is the circuit is open or closed. So I want you to think about how many layers deep you have to know. And I had a old gentleman that I knew a long time ago. He wanted to learn how to play the drums, and he thought he was just going to go in and be shown how to play the drums, and he was just hitting one drumstick on a piece of wood. You have to put in that time. You put in the energy. Learn all the granular little tasks, because all a program does is it reads, loops, remembers, and does an output. REPL. The P is print. But don't get ahead of yourself. Now, if you already have a project that you want to work on, awesome. But don't feel like you have to get ahead of it, because if you don't have a problem that you want to solve, just be filling up your toolbox. Go and read a module. Go and read some documentation. But how I got through this is I loved information, so I love data. So then I found out all these. Then I learned about Python. I'm a big fan of ratios, so I love how things interconnect and have relation. So, and then when I found out about stock data, so all the stuff that I do is data analysis. Stock market. That's where I spend a super majority of my time with Python. And then it developed into, I wanted to share, and then it's developed into all these other wonderful opportunities. But all right, okay, so just relax. All right, on to Codedamn. Okay, so here we are, codedamn.com, learning path. This is us. So you guys are going to hear about this first right now, but here are all, it's 7.5. I need to talk to them about this. It's not 8+. It's 7.5 hours. And after almost every video, there's an exercise and then a quiz. And we're just going to go fast and through. But what I'm super excited about is they're going to have an accelerator class. We're going to do that in the next couple weeks. And not only are you going to be able to sign up for that, we're actually going to then have a discussion once a week. Because I think that if you spend an hour or so a week, you should be able to go through this entire course in about 4 weeks. And that's kind of what we're shooting for. So we're going to have a small one. I'm working on another course, and then what we'll do is we'll be able to tie all these together, but we'll have a discussion. We'll be either on the Discord or on a Skype call, and we'll have WhatsApp, and you're going to be able to then communicate with me very quickly, and we'll have interaction, because me and Codedamn and I, we really see eye to eye on this, and this is what I'm so excited about. Not only do we want to get you excited about learning Python, but we don't want you to feel alone while you're learning Python. So I've been working on community, and I kind of didn't really know that's what I was working on. And then those topics, those discussions have just evolved, and I could not be more excited, because I want to teach you Python, but I also want to tear down the fear of learning Python. So there's our video for today. We'll be back on subject matter tomorrow. I think I got some cool stuff to show you. We're going to have a throwback and a throw forward. But as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.